Cursed Doorbell.
Let's see if Johnny wants to hang out. That's odd. His doorbell doesn't work.
Oh, you'll have to knock. That thing hasn't worked for ages.
Guess he's not there.
I hope that parcel comes today.
His doorbell doesn't work.
He should be here by now.
Well, I can't deliver his parcel if he's not here.
Greetings, my fellow friends. Today I will be going around knocking on your doors inviting you to take part in my new game show. Just make sure you're home today as I may select you. But only if you are home.
Pick me. Please pick me.
Prudence, you take over. I'm going home.
Come on, Foodini. You know I'm made for this stuff.
You'll never guess who just knocked on my door.
Hello, is anyone there?
Wait, I'm here. I was here. Stupid doorbell. I missed everything.
Then maybe today is your lucky day, sir.
Who are you?
I'm Kurt Schilling. I'm a salesman who specializes in doorbells. It appears you may be in need of one.
Too right I am. I keep missing visitors who knock on my door. I can't ever hear them.
Then this may be just the thing that you need. This beauty makes over 100 different noises when someone rings it.
Is it loud and clear?
Loud and clear, my friend. You'll never miss a visitor calling again.
I'll take it.
Intruder alert! Intruder alert! Warning! Warning!
Really?
Did I call at a bad time?
Self-destruct sequence initiated.
What the hell is it doing now?
Activating missiles!
That doorbell hasn't seemed to solve many problems.
I can't be bothered to walk home. Maybe I can stay at Johnny's for the night.
Kill sequence activated.
Son, what's up?
Be careful. He could have all sorts of dangerous contraptions installed.
Self-destruct sequence initiated.
He's got everything in there. From a bear to a nuclear bomb.
It stopped.
Is he murdering a woman?
Johnny, what the hell are you doing in there?
That's my doorbell, guys.
Weird sounding doorbell. Where did you get it from? A joke shop.
Some salesman gave it to me.
So a joke shop basically.
You can't have that for a doorbell. It's silly.
Well, I need one to stop missing visitors. I can never hear them knocking.
Let's go and buy you a proper doorbell.
Coming.
Let's see if he's home this time.
Finally.
I'll answer it.
Would you be interested in buying a new doorbell?
It's a nice offer, but no thanks.
All seems normal.
Impossible. That house was about to go kaboom. Can I interest either of you two in a new doorbell?
Looks like my problems are solved.
I'm still going to people's houses to find recruits for my game show. Be home if you want an opportunity.